people who has raised 30 million fundraise from the global company which is Tiger Global, and now its valuation is considered to be more than 100 million. So it is a huge target achieved by an Indian startup, and because of that we are going to study its business case study today in this video, and how who can replace the Twitter in India, because there are different type of clashes going on with Indian government of Twitter, as you must be knowing if you are watching the news. Then in such situation, who can replace the Twitter, and how, and what are the business strategies going to be seen by us about the Go app. So let's start with today's video without any waste of time. But before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update of business case studies. So let's start this video. Well guys, before talking about the course case study, let us consider some of the basic terms that you need to understand in order to understand this whole case study. As you know that if any company raises its funding, then eventually its valuation also raises. As we all know, it was also happened with the case of Reliance. When the Jio was launched, different companies like huge companies like Facebook, Google, they started to invest in the Reliance Jio, and that's why its valuation was growing day by day. And that same is happening with our Indian startup, which is Go. And let us consider some of the historic events, or some of the reasons behind, on some of the people who started this Go in India. So firstly, the co-founders Aprameya Radhakrishnan and Mayank Birvatka. So these are both the founders of our Go, which is known as Indian version of Twitter, and it is also a plus point with Go. And also there are some problems or some of the traits, weaknesses of Go app, which we are going to discuss in the end of the video. But still that, watch this video very carefully. So its parent company, which is Bombinet Technologies Private Limited, who had also launched the Indian version of Quora, which is Vocal. You can easily identify these apps which were started by these companies. They are somehow making the Indian version of different apps. And with that also, Aprameya Radhakrishnan, he had also started Taxi for Sure company, or Taxi for Sure startup, which was later took by Ola Cabs, and that is the same Ola Cabs which is now running on the startup of Aprameya Radhakrishnan, that is Taxi for Sure. Well, its plan was started back then in 2018 itself, because they wanted to make the Indian version of Twitter, and because of that different companies came before for investing, like Bloom Venture, Kalari Capital and Accel Partners India. So these were the first investors in the Go app, which eventually saw something different in Go app that will raise eventually their funding and their investment a better cause. So that's why these companies invested heavily in the Go app. But what is the reason that Tiger Global, which is now supporting the newest Indian startups which are going to be a huge companies in the future, and why is that company funding different type of Indian startups? So basically US based Tiger Global has a different type of investments in our Indian startups, like we can say Flipkart or Ola. So these are the, and there are many companies which you can see on the screen in which Tiger Global has heavily invested, and it is a natural or a plus point for Indian startup, because they will gain initial boost and they will make their product better. Well guys, now comes the question of our video, that is how the hell this small startup can eventually replace such a huge empire of Twitter in India. So here is the answer of that question, and it is eventually, if you are a recent viewer of different type of news, then you must be knowing that Twitter India is having huge clashes with Indian government. Recently, with the Delhi police officers, they sent a notice to Twitter India in connection with the probe into a complaint about an alleged COVID toolkit. So that is all about the COVID toolkit, which is of Congress, and BJP's leader Sambit Patra, he eventually posted this toolkit, Congress toolkit, on his post, and Twitter marked it as manipulated media. Well, here is what manipulated media means. Basically, it is also seen on different or many of the tweets made by US president, former US president, which is Donald Trump, and on his various tweets, manipulated media is seen, and it basically means that the tweet it contains something wrong or something false or something suspicious. So basically they are not trusting this type of tweets and they are banning that tweets. So basically, due to such clashes between the in the Indian government, Twitter is facing different problems, and that's why here is the best timing for our Indian startup, which is Coup. So Coup has launched in such a huge or such a nice timing. That's why it is gaining an opportunity to replace the Twitter, because you see, if Twitter's user base is most of the politicians are on Twitter, they make announcement about their programs, their different type of meetings, and all their decisions are made heavily on Twitter. But nowadays what is happening, people, the politicians, the ruling parties, they are eventually somehow trying to defame or somehow remove Twitter from their account because of these clashes. So basically, here comes the most important part of the video, and that is SWOT analysis, in which we are going to see what are the strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats which Coup has, and how these SWOT analysis can help Coup to replace such a giant company Twitter in India. And it will happen if the all steps or all the connections are going to happen in order, because if the clashes are continued for a long time, for a long duration, then definitely Coup will replace the Twitter. So let's start the SWOT analysis with the strengths. Firstly guys, it has a huge government support, because Coup is also listed in the, and also it has won the India's Atmanirbhar program, which was conducted because when the 69, or I don't know exactly the number, but the number of huge number of apps of Chinese were totally banned in India, like TikTok and PUBG at that time. So because of that, Atmanirbhar program was started, and in that also Coup has also won the program, and it has because of that government support. And also PM Modi has named it or referred it in his Mann Ki Baat program, and also its huge ramp up with of people, like it is growing rapidly because of making huge marketing of Coup. If you are watching the cricket, IPL or T20 World Cup, then you will see Coup's ad after every 15 minutes, because it has now funding, it has now investors, and it will try its best to make its marketing, to make it reach most people of the India, and literally it is doing all this stuff. And if you are regular viewer of cricket, then you will see Coup's ad like this on every cricket match. Thirdly, the timing of Coup is very essential here, because as I said you earlier, Twitter is having clashes with Indian government, and it is an opportunity for Coup to spread its empire in the microblogging market. Twitter is not a small company to defeat, and that's why the race or the war between Coup and Twitter is going to be very interesting. And for that purpose, you need to subscribe our channel for regular updates of these clashes or different wars which are going outside India or inside India. Let's keep the report of all the wars. Then subscribe to our channel for more such videos. So let's see what are the weaknesses that Coup possesses and which can eventually create them a loophole for other companies. So firstly, weakness is early teething problems. Rapid ramp up is nice thing, but problem should be cured properly, because if you see, Coup I have also tried Ku, and that's why while I was making the research of this video, I tried Ku app and I saw different small problems which Ku is facing today. Like the refresh rate is little bit slow as compared to Twitter, because there are a huge audience which is gathering on Ku, and they need fast refresh rate as the Twitter has. So these small problems which are going to be huge impact on the audience, these small problems should be cured as early as possible. Well, secondly, security issues are there with regarding the co startup, and that the domain was being used by Chinese. Yes, guys, Twitter user which you are seeing on the screen, this guy has said that the Ku's domain name that is already used by different Chinese people, and that's why it is not a big issue, but Chinese people huge issue. So let's move now to the opportunities which Ku has right now. First is Twitter backlash. Today in this video we have talked much more about Twitter's clashes within Indian government, and that is the first opportunity for Ku to raise its market in Indian microblogging sector. If you see, or if you are using Ku, then you will see that Ku has different regional languages and local languages, which will help eventually the local marketers or local businessmen to expand their reach to other peoples in their regional languages. So now let's move about what are the threats that Ku is going to see. Firstly, false account. It is not threat for just Ku, but it is also threat for many social media apps, because if you see them, then there is a list of false accounts which are operating on the different type of social media apps, and which are causing spamming, and which eventually decreases user experience on that app which is a true user. It will slowly decline the user experience, and that is a huge problem. If you see hosting of this app or the Ku is made on Amazon, and it is a huge problem, because if you see the parlor's case, it's all company was shut down without any prior notice, and it can also happen with Ku also, but it is not a huge threat if we consider, but it is a threat also. Thirdly, if Twitter makes up with Indian government, and somehow Indian government's relationship with Twitter are back again like they were earlier, so that is going to be a threat for Ku because of the relationships. But if you consider today's situation, the are not very well with Indian government, and that is a temporary opportunity for Ku to expand its empire. But if the relationship are prepared very well with Indian government, then it is a threat for Ku. Well, that's, and also there is something unique which Ku need to understand quickly, because it is not making huge difference between its user interface and Twitter's user interface, because the users which are on Twitter and which are on Ku, they will not find any difference between these both apps, and eventually it cannot replace, or it cannot make a habit of Ku with the users. So that's all about the SWOT analysis and all about the Ku app. If you learn something valuable, don't forget to hit the like button on YouTube, so that YouTube will promote this video to other creators and other viewers of YouTube. So if you like this video and if you want more such business case studies, subscribe to our channel as early as possible and press the bell icon to never miss any update of any business case studies and different marketing strategies. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.